children, welcome to ASA Education. Exercise number 54. Wren and Martin High School Grammar Book. Chapter is 7. More about adverb clauses. अब यहाँ आपको क्या करना है? एक्सरसाइज तो बहुत छोटी है, लेकिन छोटी भी नहीं है. इसमें आपको क्या करना है? जितने भी सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉसेस हैं, तो अलग अलग तरीके से यूज करना है, उनको अटैच करना है जो मेन या सूटेबल प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज है उसके साथ. तो सबसे पहला हमारा सेंटेंस है वो है वेयर ही वॉज बरीड. अब इसको हम कितनी तरीके से लिख सकते हैं वो देखते हैं. पहला, वी डोंट नो वेयर ही वॉज बरीड. ये जो है नाउन क्लॉज है, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ डोंट नो. तो दूसरी तरीके से कर सकते हैं, वेयर ही वॉज बरीड इज नॉट नोन. यहां नाउन क्लॉज सब्जेक्ट ऑफ is not known. It is not known where he was buried. Noun clause put in apposition to it. This is the place where he was buried. Adjective clause qualifying place. A tombstone was set up where he was buried. Adverb clause of place modifying was set up. फिर आपका दूसरा सेंटेंस है when the train will arrive. Can you tell me when the train will arrive? Noun clause object of can tell. When the train will arrive is uncertain. Noun clause subject of is. It is uncertain when the train will arrive. Noun clause put in apposition to it. Would you please tell me the time when the train will arrive? Adjective clause qualifying time. Third sentence है when he had left it. He couldn't say where he had left it. Noun clause object of couldn't say. Where he had left it was not known. Noun clause subject of was not known. It was not known where he had left it. Noun clause put in apposition to it. The pen was found where he had left it. Adverb clause of place modifying was found. He didn't remember the place where he had left it. Adjective clause qualifying place. Next sentence, who did it? Do you know who did it? Noun clause, object of to know. Who did it is a mystery. Noun clause, subject of is. It is a mystery. Who did it? Noun clause, put in apposition to it. I saw the man who did it. Noun clause, qualifying man. Next sentence, why he did it. Ask him why he did it. Noun clause, object of ask. Why he did it cannot be explained. Noun clause, subject of cannot be explained. Not known why he did it. Noun clause, put in apposition to it. The reason why he did it still remains a mystery. Noun clause, put in apposition to reason. This is why he did it. Noun clause, complement of is, so that he might succeed in his life. Or instead, so it is only that he might succeed in life. I believed that he might succeed in life. Noun clause, object of believed. That he might succeed in life was my belief. Noun clause, subject of was. My belief was that he might succeed in life. Noun clause, complement of was. It was my belief that he might succeed in life. Noun clause, put in apposition to it. He worked hard that he might succeed in life. Adverb clause, modifying worked. Next sentence, whom he had met. I asked him whom he had met. Noun clause, object of asked. Whom he had met was not known. Noun clause, subject of was not known. It was not clear whom he had met. Noun clause, put in apposition to it. The man whom he had met cheated him. Adjective clause, qualifying man. Last और final sentence है when monsoon failed. Can you say when the monsoon failed? Noun clause, object of can say. monsoon failed is not exactly known. Noun clause, subject of, is not known. Is not exactly known when the monsoon failed. Noun clause, put in apposition to it. Do you remember the year when the monsoon failed? Adjective clause, qualifying year. When the monsoon failed, our country suffered from famine. Adverb clause of time, modifying suffered. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 54, जिसमें आपको सेंटेंसेस में अलग अलग सारी क्लॉजेस के बारे में बताना था। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज।